Hi, my name is Mark Shuster. I'm the Director of Operations and Maintenance Programs for a company called Delta Solutions and Strategies. We're a privately held U.S. government contracting firm located in Colorado Springs, Colorado. And one of the reasons that I'm here today is to share with you our success with Mailbox Power. We have started using this program as of last year, and we use it as an opportunity to let our employees know. We have almost 300 employees around the world. We want them to know how much we care about them and how much we appreciate the hard work that they do every day for our business. And we've been able to use Mailbox Power to help send out holiday cards and gifts. And then each month, all of our employees receive birthday cards and gifts. We're also going to be using this program as touch points throughout the year to help our employees manage their programs and things that they need to do, but more importantly, to let them know that we really care about what they do. So Mailbox Power is a great program. It's easy to use, it's affordable, and I encourage anybody to get started today.